Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, I can ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all those big plans and your dreams come true? How can I help you get your life onto that higher level that you have been chasing? If you and me can work together and get your next big adventure started, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your 30-minute slot over at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. Monday is the perfect day to correct last week's mistakes. Good morning. Here we are then at the start of a brand new week. Hello and welcome to Monday. Now traditionally this is the day where everyone starts something new. Projects, diets, exercise and of course whatever went wrong last week. Get your head down, get yourself into the game and go smash it.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com and we'll see you tomorrow for more.